Matsuri? How was the kids class that you just saw? My name is Walter Nishinaka. I'm a taekwondo player based in Los Angeles, and I have the honor today to be the MC for San Francisco Taekwondo Dojos. Can we give another round of applause for San Francisco Taekwondo Dojo? So like I said, the first song you heard was Matsuri, and it was played by the kids class. Now, raise your hand if anybody is interested in playing taiko. I see a lot of hands raised. Perfect. So I want to bring up Ryan Kimura. So Ryan is the instructor for the programs. Yeah, so you know what? I'm going to let Ryan talk for a little bit, and then I'm going to get the mic back. Okay, Ryan. Thank you, Walter.
Japantown, good morning! No. That ain't good enough. Japantown, good morning. Let's go! Thank you very much. My name is Ryan Kimura. I am one of the members of San Francisco Taekwondo Dojo. I would like to invite you all to play with us. Okay? So we are lucky enough to have multiple opportunities for you all to play the San Francisco Taekwondo Dojo way. We have kids beginner classes in San Mateo on Sundays at 12 o'clock. And you know what? Recently, we just started a kids beginner class at the Japanese Culture Community Center in Northern California. JCCCNC, right over there. Let's give it a hand. Yeah. Because just so you all remember, right, San Francisco Taekwondo Dojo, this is like our roots right here at Cherry Blossom, okay? This is what helped to propel us, and so we are here to support. And so I want to see you in our class on Thursdays at 4:45 because we are looking for more members, all right? Give yourselves a big hand. Good job. Thank you.
Thank you, Ryan. So, the same energy that Ryan just gave all of you, I want you to give San Francisco Taekwondo Dojo that same energy as they play. So this next song is called Hiryu Sandan Gaishi. His original version was composed by Grandmaster Daihachi Oguchi from Osua Daiko in Nagano. Oguchi Sensei is Tanaka Sensei's mentor, and this swing version of Hiryu is arranged by Tanaka Sensei. So, are you guys ready? Alright, San Francisco Taekwondo Dojo, take it away.
Ready to go? You want to see everyone? It's okay. You're good. You're good. Still watch them. We're gonna dance, okay?